Imagine sitting behind the wheel of a car with an engine so massive it could power a small truck. These engines weren't just about speed, they were the soul of the car. Today we'll explore the 10 largest engines ever installed in classic cars, machines that defined an era and pushed engineering to the extreme. 10. 1969. Dodge Charger Hemi 426. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the 1969 Dodge Charger Hemi 426, famously nicknamed Elephant because of its massive engine. With 426 cubic inches of displacement, this V8 churned out over 425 horsepower, giving the Charger unstoppable acceleration. The Hemi engine's hemispherical combustion chambers allowed better airflow, increased combustion efficiency, and incredible torque. Its performance made it a favorite for drag racing, where the Charger Hemi quickly became a legend. The engine wasn't just powerful, it was reliable and built to dominate straightaways. Collectors today still pay top dollar for Chargers with this engine, as it represents the pinnacle of late 60s American muscle car engineering. Key points: 426 cubic inches, approximately 7.0 liters, over 425 horsepower drag racing legend, nicknamed Elephant for size and power. 9. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 LS6. At number 9, the Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 LS6 featured a 454 cubic inch V8 engine producing an astonishing 450 horsepower. Introduced in 1970, it was considered one of the fastest production cars of the time. The LS6 engine combined size, torque, and reliability, making it perfect for drag racing and high-speed street runs. Its massive torque allowed lightning-fast starts, giving drivers an adrenaline rush that few cars could match. The Chevelle SS 454 LS6 was designed to handle the challenges of speed while maintaining control. A perfect combination of raw power and engineering precision. Today, it's regarded as one of the most iconic American muscle cars ever produced. Key points: 454 cubic inches, approximately 7.4 liters, 450 horsepower drag strip, favorite fastest production cars of its era. 8. 1967 Ford Mustang GT 500. Number 8 is the 1967 Ford Mustang GT 500, a car that combines stunning looks with raw power. Its 428 cubic inch Cobra Jet V8 produced up to 355 horsepower and incredible torque. This engine helped the Mustang GT 500 dominate straightaways and reinforce the Mustang's reputation as a performance icon. The GT 500 wasn't just about speed, it was about a complete driving experience. With responsive handling and a powerful engine, it became a symbol of American ingenuity. Carroll Shelby's performance tuning ensured that the GT 500 could compete on the track while remaining street legal, a combination rare for its time. Key points: 428 cubic inches, approximately 7.0 liters, 355 horsepower Cobra Jet V8 performance, legendary American pony car. 7. 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. The 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda is number 7, equipped with a 426 Hemi engine, producing 425 horsepower. This car was a true muscle car masterpiece. The Hemi engine's design allowed for tremendous airflow, creating explosive power while maintaining reliability. The Cuda's styling perfectly complemented its engine, aggressive, bold, and unmistakably powerful. Its performance made it a drag strip champion and a street legend. Today, the Hemi Cuda is one of the most coveted collector cars, embodying the spirit of American muscle in the early 1970s. Key points: 426 cubic inches, approximately 7.0 liters, 425 horsepower, drag strip and street versatility, collector favorite. 6. 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge 400. Number 6 is the 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge, often referred to as the original muscle car. Its 400 cubic inch V8 engine produced 366 horsepower, allowing it to dominate street racing while remaining controllable. What set the GTO Judge apart was its balance. Unlike some bigger engines that were hard to handle, the 400 V8 offered powerful acceleration while maintaining good handling characteristics. Combined with its aggressive styling, the GTO Judge became an instant icon, influencing future muscle car designs and earning a permanent spot in automotive history. Key points: 400 cubic inches, approximately 6.6 liters, 366 horsepower, original muscle car nickname, balanced street and track performance. 5. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. At number 5, the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 was a rare beast. Its aluminum 427 cubic inch V8 engine produced over 430 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Camaros ever built. The aluminum block made the engine lighter, improving the car's acceleration and handling. The ZL1 was designed for racing, with features tailored to high performance. Today, it's one of the rarest muscle cars, with collectors valuing it as both a historical artifact and an engineering marvel. Its combination of size, power, and lightweight construction set new standards for performance vehicles. Key points: 427 cubic inches, approximately 7.0 liters, 430 plus horsepower, lightweight aluminum engine, extremely rare collector car. 4. 1966 Shelby GT 350. The 1966 Shelby GT 350 sits at number 4. Unlike larger engines, its 289 cubic inch V8 was tuned for track performance rather than brute force. This made it more agile and responsive on winding roads, giving drivers a thrilling, controlled experience. Carroll Shelby's engineering ensured that the GT 350 could compete with bigger engines while being lighter and more nimble. Its combination of performance and style made it an instant classic, proving that engineering precision could match raw engine size for an unforgettable driving experience. Key points: 289 cubic inches, approximately 4.7 liters, track-focused performance, Carroll Shelby's engineering, legendary Shelby design. 3. 1969 Buick GSX Stage 1 455, featuring a 455 cubic inch V8 engine producing 360 horsepower. What made it remarkable was its torquey-heavy performance. Allowing explosive starts and powerful acceleration, the GSX Stage 1 combined raw power with handling, making it versatile on the street and the track. Its bold styling and massive engine made it a statement of performance and prestige, showing that American muscle cars could combine size, speed, and sophistication. Key points: 455 cubic inches, approximately 7.5 liters, 360 horsepower, torque-heavy acceleration, street and track versatility. 2. 1970 Oldsmobile 442 W30. At number 2, the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 W30 packed a 455 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 370 horsepower. This engine was known for both power and durability, allowing drivers to experience extreme acceleration without sacrificing reliability. The 442 W30 embodied the perfect balance of performance and control. Its massive torque enabled lightning-fast launches, while its design made it capable of repeated high-speed runs. It's considered one of the greatest muscle cars of all time and a testament to engineering excellence in the early 1970s. Key points: 455 cubic inches, approximately 7.5 liters, 370 horsepower, durable and powerful muscle car legend. 1. 1969 Ford Galaxy 427. Finally, at number 1, the 1969 Ford Galaxy 427 takes the crown. Its 427 cubic inch V8 engine produced 425 to 430 horsepower, representing the ultimate in large engine performance. Designed for drag racing, the Galaxy 427 could dominate straightaways with sheer power and acceleration. This engine was a perfect blend of size, speed, and engineering precision. It cemented the Galaxy as one of the most iconic cars of the muscle car era. Even today, the 427 engine is revered as a symbol of peak performance, capturing the essence of American automotive ambition. Key points: 427 cubic inches, approximately 7.0 liters, 425 to 430 horsepower, drag and street dominance, pinnacle of large engine engineering. Conclusion: from the thunderous 426 Hemi in the Dodge Charger to the precision-engineered 427 in the Ford Galaxy, these engines weren't just powerhouses, they were legends. Each engine tells a story of speed, engineering, and the golden age of American muscle cars. Which of these engines would you love to hear roar in your driveway? Comment below, like, share, and subscribe for more.